Micro and small enterprises in Tana River County have been trained to shift from survival to growth. The program equips entrepreneurs with practical skills to align their businesses with markets and demand.
The training, conducted under the Chanuka Jipange na Business Opportunities Program, targeted farmers, traders, women running kiosks, and young entrepreneurs. Speaking during the session, 20X Entrepreneur CEO Eunice Wagithi Mboro said national transformation is driven by millions of small economic decisions made at the grassroots.
But the most important thing is to ask, Singapore ilifanya nini ndio wakafika wakadevelop mahali wako. So we're looking at how do we get to a first world. What does it mean to be first world? It means that especially the micro businesses, micro entrepreneurs, they are organized for a market.
She compared SME growth to President William Ruto's vision of transforming Kenya into Singapore-like economy, noting the comparison is often misunderstood.
So we just need organization, and even from the training here, wako tayari hata kujiunga into groups so that they can produce what the market wants.
Farmers also highlighted challenges of producing without clear information on markets, prices and quantities.
Msingi wa biashara ikuwe dhabiti. Mimi niko tayari kwenda Singapore, vile ambavyo president anasema, it is a real thing. I'm going to Singapore kupitia kwa biashara ndogo.
Nauza kibanda, lakini ningeomba serikali kama kuna hizi funds ndogo ndogo kama vile Nyota wameanzisha kwa vijana, pia sisi wamama watupatie.
The initiative is expected to expand to other regions to support small businesses as key drivers of economic growth.
Ya leo nimejifundisha of which sikuwa nayo na sikuwa najua na umuhimu ama nini, basi leo nimejua umuhimu wa value addition.
Mwaluse Meshak, TV 47.
Right, and still